There are no specific traffic laws that govern space travel in the traditional sense. However, various international agreements, guidelines, and best practices have been established to ensure the safe and orderly operation of spacecraft and satellites in space. One of the key frameworks for space activities is the Outer Space Treaty, which was signed by many nations and entered into force in 1967. While the treaty does not explicitly address traffic laws, it does emphasize the need for cooperation, the avoidance of harmful interference, and the peaceful use of space. In recent years, with the increase in space activities and the growing number of satellites, there has been a focus on developing guidelines to mitigate space debris and reduce the risk of collisions. Organizations like the United Nations Office for Outer Space Affairs, UNOOSA, the International Telecommunication Union, ITU, and the International Astronautical Federation, IAF, have been working on space traffic management initiatives. These initiatives aim to establish norms and procedures for satellite operators to coordinate and share information about the orbits and movements of their spacecraft. This would help prevent collisions, manage congestion in popular orbits, and ensure the long-term sustainability of space activities. Additionally, some countries and organizations have implemented their own guidelines and regulations for space activities. For example, the United States has the Commercial Space Launch Act and the Federal Aviation Administration (FAA) regulations, which include safety requirements for launches and re-entries. It's worth noting that as space travel and commercial space activities continue to expand, the need for more comprehensive space traffic laws and regulations may arise. International cooperation and agreements will likely play a crucial role in shaping the future legal framework for space traffic management.